Hello and welcome Super users. My name is Melvin and today I'm going to show you how the iZwop platform works. The iZwop platform is a really effective sales and marketing tool that can engage your customers and update all your information in real time. So we're going to start off with logging in to your account. So this is the main platform for updating and controlling all of your employees and your business cards. And I'm gonna start off with showing you how to change your account information. So first of all, you go to Profile. Here you can see how many cards you have, the card limit that you have an account for at iZwop. You can add your first name, your last name, the email you want to use, and here you can also reset your password, and this can also be done at the login screen. Now we will continue by pressing My Template. So this is the look you will get when you're controlling all of your cards at the same time. So this field means it's global. Global means also that it will be the same for all of your employees. A global setting is indicated by this orange color. So if it's gray, it's not global, but if it's orange, it's global. And if it's marked orange, it means that the field will be the same on every card. For instance, if we want everyone to have the same Facebook address on their business cards, this field will be marked orange to make sure everybody got the same URL in their business card. And same would be with the video and so on. So everything we want to have the same on every business card, we will use this button to make sure it's the same on every card. And now I will show you the individual information of the business cards. So for example, individual information would be my name, my title, my phone number, and my email, and of course the profile picture. But if I want to add another field that will be individual for some of my employees, I will go back to my template. I will, for instance, change the video should not be the same on every card. Then I can go back to the individual information and the video field will be appeared and I can edit it from here. So now I will show you in real time how to delete and edit fields. So for example, if you want to delete a profile picture, you will see this profile picture here can be updated or deleted at any time by just deleting the field and pressing outside. So if we go back to the card and update, we will now have a card without a profile picture. And this will also be the same with name, for example. I can name this card to Jacob, and we will now have a Jacob in this card instead. So everything is very interactive and goes very fast. So everything is done through the platform and you don't have to worry about the cards being updated. And this also includes all of the cards that has already been shared, because if someone save your card and you update it from the iZwop platform, the receiver will have a new version in their phone updated. Now I will go through how to add a new card. So we start with this, tapping add a new card. We will choose what profile picture we want to use. We will add full name, Melvin 2 for example. Here we will have title, phone number, email, and if you have some more individual information, it will appear here to add in the new card. But if we only have these fields as personal information, you will be done by saving the card and the new user will appear here. And now I'm going to show you how to delete a card. So if you want to delete a card, you can just press this button, delete the selected card, and this is deleted. And it's also deleted in all the receiver's phones. Thank you for choosing iZwop. I wish you the best of luck to become a super swapper. Let's stay in touch.